Hi, welcome to Porsche North Houston. My name is Husna and I am the Porsche Pro. Today I will be showing you some ways you can use Voice Pilot on your Porsche vehicle. Today I will be demonstrating on this 2022 Porsche Macan S. Porsche Voice Pilot commands are done through the click of the voice control button on the left side of your driver's steering wheel. Porsche Voice Pilot allows you to use Porsche Connect functions by simply speaking to your car. So in order to use Porsche Voice Pilot, your Connect services must be activated. Porsche Voice Pilot allows you to use various Connect functions such as inputting destinations into your vehicle. Take me home.
Start route guidance. Have a good trip home.
If you want to avoid taking highways, I can also make changes to my route. Avoid highways.
Avoiding freeways on your route activated.
Now you can see that my route has been altered to no highways. Also, Porsche Voice Pilot allows you to change your media. Play 100.3 FM.
100.3 megahertz.
These are just a few of the many commands you can give to your Porsche Voice Pilot. Porsche Voice Pilot allows you to communicate with your car using your voice to give you a better, hands-free driving experience. If you are still having any issues with your Porsche Voice Pilot, please feel free to give us a call here at Porsche North Houston. Thank you for watching and have a great day.